Hello everyone. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how to see your credit card number using the RBC mobile app. First, take your phone and open the RBC mobile app. Make sure the app is updated to the latest version so that all features work properly. Once the app opens, log in using your username and password. After logging in, you will land on the main dashboard. Here you will see an overview of your accounts. Look for the navigation bar and tap on Accounts. This will show you a list of all your available accounts, including your credit cards. Now, select the specific credit card that you want to view. Tap on it once to open the account details. You will now see a summary of your credit card activity, including your balance and recent transactions. Next, look for an option labeled Manage or Account Details. The exact wording may vary depending on your app version, but it will be somewhere on this screen. Tap on that option to continue. Once inside, locate your credit card number. It will usually be partially hidden, showing only the last few digits. To reveal the full number, tap on the eye icon or directly on the masked number. For security reasons, the app may ask you to confirm your identity again. You might need to enter your password or use Face ID or Touch ID. After verification, your full 16-digit credit card number will be displayed on the screen. Thanks for watching.